¿Qué decía el tiempo? Full deck overlay that we did here in Kendall, Florida. I'm gonna show you now. The very nice white cement. Okay, this car is getting ready to dry. It took us a couple hours to do it by hand. It's done by hand with the trowel. Okay, and as you can see, it looks very nice. And next stop, once it dries next day, we're gonna sand it, and then the owner wants to paint it white, the one that looks. So I think it's gonna look fantastic once it's finished with it. Yeah, very different than what we had before.
Ya está grabando.
Hey guys, it's Pedro here from Conexo. Here we are in Miami Beach in a new house that we're starting. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a couple stuff.
Sí, pero ven acá, ¿y por qué sale esto?
Viene eso. We're gonna polish this floor, as you can see. This is the garage. The big garage. So we're gonna polish.